The fourth rule of ARIA is not to use role presentation or ARIA hidden true on focusable elements. The reason is we need to make sure that things that are intended to be interacted with are available to assistive technology to interact with them. So what is role presentation? Role presentation removes meaning from elements. It basically turns a semantic element into a div. It does not inherit, which means that if you have nested elements inside of other elements, they will not inherit the role presentation. When do we use role presentation? It's used when we had a meaningful element in the wrong place. One of the most common examples is when a table was used purely for layout purposes, especially in older email templates. We might not always want to completely rebuild older content. In this case, we can remediate it by adding role presentation. So here I have a code sample of the most common use, table role equals presentation. And again, if there were nested tables inside of this one, I would also need to add role presentation on the nested tables. I don't need to worry about elements such as T-head or T-body or TR, because those don't really have meaning on their own. Only the table element has the meaning that was associated. ARIA hidden true hides elements from assistive technology. It does inherit. So if I have a div with ARIA hidden true on it, everything inside of that div will also be hidden. When should we use ARIA hidden true? The most common time that I use it is for decorative elements that if I deleted this element completely, no information would be lost. Decorative elements are not interactive. For example, let's say I have an SVG. SVGs can be massive data structures, all sorts of nested content. So I might apply SVG ARIA hidden true, which would hide the SVG and all of the nested content. This can be particularly helpful since sometimes in an SVG, letters or other characters are used, but the element still doesn't have any meaning or any use. It's just decorative. So I want to hide all of that content from assistive technology, which would otherwise try to read out all of that information. If I want to hide something from everyone, then I want to use display none. I hope you found this helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more information on web accessibility.